Hello guys, this is Shoaib from Allied Solutions, and today we are going to unbox Honeywell gas detection BW clip portable single gas detector. This is the portable gas detector box, and the gas it will detect is H2S. You can see the part number and the gas detection made in Mexico. So let's do this unboxing. It is ISO UL ADEX CE and X approved. Let's do this unboxing. In the box we get this Honeywell BW clip H2S gas detector. All the details is mentioned. ICEX approved, UL listed approved. Okay, in the box we will get this item, some accessories, and the Honeywell certificate. As just mentioned, calibration date, model, serial number, and the working catalog. So if you want this item in Karachi, Pakistan, we have this item in stock. Feel free to contact us on the below mentioned address. Thank you very much.